How many of you can relate to any of these? Let's say that you are doing email retargeting campaigns and you're having some success with them, but often deliverability can be an issue, right? That could be landing in the spam or the promotions tab on Gmail. And then that prevents your subscribers from seeing your offer or your message, right? Let's say that the majority of your sales are from returning customers. You're trying to find ways to drive repeat business for your store. Maybe it's difficult to find new ways to interact with your most loyal customers. You've really sort of tapped out all of your current marketing channels and are looking for something new. And then obviously the elephant in the room, right? Maybe COVID has caused you to take your business online and you're trying to take advantage of, setting up a brand new e-commerce store. Maybe you're getting a lot more traffic to your website than you previously were prior to COVID. I'm here to tell you that all of these issues, all of these things can be resolved with web-based push notifications. I know a few of you are joining us from some of the Facebook groups that we are mutually a part of. So I wanted to share some examples that people had shared to these groups to show you like these are real problems that people are having. So, this first example here, this person is trying to increase their repeat customers. Currently about 20 to 25% of their monthly sales are repeat customers, and they want to see that closer to 50%. The second person is saying, oh, they're using some retargeting stuff with Klaviyo, but a lot of their emails are reaching the spam folder. Any recommendations? And of course, this last person is saying, they're trying to find ways to get people to retarget or complete their abandoned cart checkouts. They're looking for some advice. That brings me to this next point, and that is that 67.57% is the average online shopping cart abandonment rate. I'm sure you're all very familiar with abandoned carts. If you're using Shopify, it shows you in the dashboard exactly who has abandoned their cart, what that cart value could have been, and everything. This stems from shoppers either creating wish lists, or maybe they're just window shopping and they wanted to add some items to the cart, but they just don't end up purchasing for whatever reason. This is money left on the table. And at the end of the day, this is a lost potential repeat customer for your business. I know that the top reason in the United States is that people will go through the entire process of placing their order, but they abandon their cart at the end because there are unexpected shipping costs that occur at checkout that they weren't prepared for. And I'm here to tell you that abandoned cart push notifications are a very easy and a very effective way to close more of this business. So let's dive in a little bit more into web push. So on the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see a website. This is an example of a fake surf shop that I came up with for use in this presentation called Ride the Wave. And they sell surf gear and apparel. And throughout our time together today, you'll learn a little bit more about them and the progress that they have made using Pushnami over the last few months. So a little bit more into the benefits of web push notifications. Not only does this allow you to build and start collecting an entirely new marketing channel where you can acquire subscribers, but the purpose of it is to really help you increase your conversions and increase your engagement with your loyal audience. This is also a great opportunity for those of you that may not have a mobile app or an Android store app. There is no mobile app required to use browser-based push notifications. It also allows you to send retargeting campaigns. You're allowed to build waterfall drip campaigns, or you're able to trigger a campaign based on user action on your website. You can also schedule them ahead of time in case you're running a timely specific offer, right? And this is supported on all major web browsers. I would imagine the majority of all of your traffic is from Google Chrome, maybe some from Safari on Apple devices, but any major web browser that you see there at the bottom is supported with web push. So you should be able to take advantage of this no matter what browser you use or what your customers use.